I'm Jess Stone. I'm the resort manager here at Sun Retreats Old Orchard Beach. Thank you for booking your stay with us. I'd like to show you around. Our retreat here is mostly seasonal. We're here from May until October, where you can have your summer home and stay all summer long. We have our jumping pillow, which is a trampoline you can enjoy all day long. And the kids go crazy for it. Woohoo! Across from our jumping pillow is our basketball court and our playground. Here we have our family pool, which is located in our entertainment area, right near our jumping pillow and our basketball court. Right behind me is our splash pad. It's a great time for all ages. Our adult pool area is a great place for you to relax. It's 21 plus and also has a spa. Our general store, arcade, and clubhouse are located right next to our jumping pillow and across from our basketball court. We also have pedal bike rentals. It's a great way to get the kids out of the camper. Right next to our jumping pillow is our dog park, our entertainment pavilion, and our volleyball court. At the dog park, you can have your dog off the leash, but while you're in the resort, we'd like that you keep the dog on the leash. We have comfort stations located throughout the resort. They have modern facilities, washers, dryers, everything you'll need while staying with us. We have a trolley stop located right at the front of our resort. The trolley picks you up 10 a.m. to midnight, $2 per person per way, take you right downtown. You can experience a bunch of local amenities that we have in the area, including the world-famous Old Orchard Beach, which is 7 miles of white sandy beach, the restaurants, the pier, the amusement park that's located right on the beach. We're also located only a couple of miles from Funtown Splashtown, which is a great amusement park located right in sunny Maine. Palace Playland amusement park in downtown Old Orchard Beach hosts fireworks shows every Thursday night throughout the entire summer. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Retreats Old Orchard Beach, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon!